Hello together and a warm welcome from our Digital Innovation Center here at Schwäbisch Hall. My name is Julia Völker and I'm here with one of our service experts, Michael Weber. Maybe you could introduce yourself and tell us what happens here at the Digital Innovation Center.
Of course, Julia, I can. My name is Michael Weber. I'm responsible for service worldwide for the Optima Consumer division, and one part of the job is digitalization. And here in this room and in this surrounding, we will make the digital transformation so people can really feel and look at things which we develop at Optima.
Okay, so you said it's all about digital services. Maybe you could talk about or tell us what are current challenges or maybe challenges of the future.
Challenges at the moment are flexibility, agility for the products, because of course the market is influencer driven. So customers do not know what they need to produce tomorrow. This is one of the things. Another thing is that raw material gets more expensive and work gets more expensive, basically. So the machines cannot stop, the machines need to run, the equipment needs to run, we need high efficiency. So this is why and what for we develop digital helpers for our customers.
Could you give us some examples for digital solutions, maybe especially the ones from Optima?
Yes, of course, this goes for the entire life cycle of the machines. For example, we help the customers to change over from one format to another one. We help the customers to get data from out of the production lines, and also we support the maintenance. In the maintenance, we have a product which we call WEmaintain, which is really a reliability-based maintenance. This is beyond everything else which is known in the market.
And what exactly does WEmaintain in practice?
This is relatively easy to explain. It's like if you go to work in your car, the car would show it's 80,000 kilometers, I need to go to a service. So we do the same thing with the machines. We just don't do kilometers, we do the machine cycles. And if the machine cycles reach, for example, 10 million cycles, the machine would call for a maintenance. So you get the parts in a box in the time when you need it, so there is no capex in the inventory for you. You get the literature, what to do, digitally, of course, what to do and how to do the maintenance, and it guides the maintenance staff fully through the maintenance. And on the end of the day, you can run another 10 million cycles with no problem.
Mr. Weber, this sounds quite interesting, I would say, and I'm sure this wasn't the last time we talked about digital services by Optima.
For sure not, and of course you can look forward for the next sessions.
We are excited. Thank you very much.
Thank you.